Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add page numbers in Google Docs on a specific page or within your document, right? So let me go ahead and open up my Gmail here, and let's go to Google Apps from the top right hand side, and let's find Docs. Now guys, if you are starting from a brand new document, then obviously you need to click on blank document and create your document, or you can choose from some pre-existing template that you have here, and you can basically choose whichever document that you want. Now I'm going to just simply choose one of these documents. So let's say I am doing this for a letter. Let's say, for example, I will just click on this one and allow this to load. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just simply copy this information here, and I will just go down and paste this information here to a second page and of course a third page, right? Now to add the page number, all we need to do is just simply click format from the menu options here and then choose page numbers within this list. And here you have some options here. You can either have it on the header or the footer, and also you can have it if you want the page number to show on the first page. So if you have like a cover page, you can uncheck this so that the number don't show on the cover page, right? And if you don't, you can just have it checked. And here as well, you can see where it allows you to choose where you want these numbers to start. So if you wanted to start at number 2 or you wanted to start at number 3, you can have it like that. So let's say I would like it to start at number 2, right? Let's say, and I would like it to be on the footer. I will do this, and let's say I don't want it to show on the first page. So let's say the first page that I have is my cover page, for example. I will uncheck this and then click apply. So now guys, you see that the first page that I have is my cover page. As I mentioned before, this would be my cover page and there is no number to it. But the second page, you see that I have it as number 2, and then you have number 3, and that's basically how it works. But let's say I would like this page to also have a number. I can easily go back here to format, go back to page number, and make sure that I have it start at number 1 and then click apply. And then you realize now that my first page has a number, second page is a number, third page is a number. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.